Hi everybody, and welcome back to another TechHub.training solution video for a weekly challenge. We'll be going over the solution to the time value of money with Numpy in Python challenge. This is a great introductory challenge to time value of money functions within Python. So first, let's get an overall, get a reminder of the goal of this challenge, and it was to create a script that would allow you to know how much you need to save per month in order to hit your retirement goal. And with that, you need to take into account your current age, the age you'd like to retire at, what your current savings are, and then basically set the interest rate to compound how much money you're saving. So let's take a look at the solution that I have here. So first things first, we want to import Numpy Financial, and this is basically just a library of certain time value of money functions that you can run here in Python. This import locale, it's not necessary, but I used it just to format the money as a currency. There's other ways you can do that too, but I'm a bit familiar with that, so that's what I did. So first things first, I set the local to currency formatting. Again, not too important there, but here's what's really important is I want to get inputs from the user about their age, what their retirement goal is, how much money they want to have when they retire, how old they want to be when they retire, and what their current savings are. From there, calculate the years until retirement, and then from there I set the average interest rate. Again, this can change. We didn't incorporate inflation here, but you could if you wanted to get the basically spending power of your savings in the future. But for now, we just stick with the interest rate. Set that to 5%. Sometimes that varies, but 5% seems to be a fairly conservative number. Set the future value to our retirement goal. Set the present value to our current savings. Periods was the how many years until retirement times 12, as in 12 months per year. Then the monthly payment here, we just use the Numpy Financial payment function, similar to using your standard financial calculator, the PMT button. And then from there, put in our interest rate divided by 12 for 12 periods, our periods, which we've already multiplied by 12 up here, our present value, our future value, and this is an end. We set that to end. That's pretty simple there, and that's the key number there. And then I formatted that into a cleaner number. So let's run that and see what happens. So my age right now, I'm 24. My retirement goal, I'd like to have 5 million. My retirement age, hopefully 65. That's pretty standard. My current retirement savings, we'll say 30 grand. And then here, let's see if it worked. Based on the information you provided, you need to save $3,236.91 per month to reach your retirement goal of $5 million at age 65. So, well, that's a lot of money per month. I gotta find a good job and work pretty hard, but pretty simple. Hopefully you guys learned a lot, and yeah, until next time.